First sum. Prathamesh wants to buy a laptop worth rupees 27,450. He has 22,975 rupees. What is the amount he still needs to be able to buy the laptop? Let's start with given. So in given part, what information we have? Cost of laptop. Cost of laptop is 27,450. Next, amount Prathamesh has. How much amount Prathamesh has? 22,975. To find, what we have to find? What is the amount he still need to be able to buy the laptop? So we have to find amount he needs. Next, solution. In solution part, how much amount he needs? So what we will do subtraction. 27,450 minus next number from right hand side, always right to left. Now we don't know how to subtract 5 from 0, so we will borrow. 4 minus 7 we don't know. 13 minus 9, 4. 6 minus 2, 4. So how much money he needs? 4,475. In answer statement, we will take to find statement as it is. Amount he needs is rupees 4,475. Okay, let's see question number 2. Second question. A company produced 44,730 scooters in a certain year and 43,150 in the next. How many more scooters did they produce in the previous year? Okay, so in given we will write production of scooters in a certain year. That is 44,730. Next, production of scooters in a next year is 43,150. What we have to find? How many more scooters did they produced in previous year? To find how we will frame this statement, we will write number of more scooters produced in previous year, because clearly we can see that in previous year it was more and in next year numbers are less. Numbers of scooter produced or manufactured or made in next year is less and previous year it was more. So how many it was more? See, in question it says how many more. Now I gave you terms for subtraction also. In that, how many more was there? So yeah, what we will do subtraction. Bigger number above, always in subtraction. 3 minus 5 not happening. 13 minus 5, 8. 6 minus 1, 5. 4 minus 3, 1 and 0. So how many more scooters? 1580. We will take same statement for answer. Number of more scooters, or we can say 1580 more scooters. Instead of number of, we will write directly the number. More scooters were produced in previous year. Okay, let's see third one. Next sum, in a certain city, the number of men is 16,37,856 and the number of women is 16,52,978. By how many does the number of women exceed the number of men? Yes, in given, let's write number of men and number of women. Number of men, they are 16,37,856. Then number of women, they are 16,52,978. Clearly, number of women is more than number of men, and we have to find that only. What we have to find? It says by how many does the number of women exceed the number of men? So we have to find number of women exceeding number of men. For solution, what we will do? Subtraction. So bigger number above. Eight minus 6, 2. 7 minus 5, 2. 9 minus 8, 1. 2 minus 7 not happening, we will borrow. 12 minus 7, 5. 4 minus 3, 1. So how many numbers? 15,122. How we will write? There are 15,122 more women than number of men. Now let us see sum number 4. Fourth question, an organization decided to collect 25 lakh rupees for a certain project. They collected 26 lakh 57,340 rupees through donations and other kinds of aid. By how much did they exceed their target? Yes, so in given, what we will write here? Amount required for a project. How much amount they required? They required 25 lakhs. Moment we are writing here amount or cost, we have to mention your unit as rupees. Next, amount they collected. How much amount they collected? They collected 26 lakh 57,340. So obviously they collected more amount than they wanted to collect. How much more did they collected? We have to find that. So to find amount they collected more. So how we will find that? By subtraction. Yes, bigger number above. It's very easy subtraction. So how much amount they collected more? They collected 1,57,340. So let's write they collected 1,57,340 rupees more. So this is sum number 4. Now sum number 5 is for homework. Now homework sum question number 5 says, use the numbers 23,849 and 27,056 to make a subtraction problem. Solve the problem. What we have to do here is, using these two numbers of question number 5, we have to make a word problem of our own, and that word problem should be of subtraction. Now after framing the word problem or in the question, we have to solve that also, like full given to find solution and answer. So this is your homework.